Okay, we're in the midst of our storm. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm looking out my front window down our driveway, and honey, I think your lights are blocking out my light. But anyway, do you see? Okay, do you see our road? And there's something big and huge laying across our driveway. Well, that was our giant oak tree. So yeah, John's gonna have to play Paul Bunyan tomorrow. That's a big tree that just came down. Can you see it going across the road there? So fun. And our kitty cats. This silly kitty, where is he? Keto, he wants to go outside. No, you don't. No, it's icky out there.
Here, Keto. So this cat is everywhere. Yes, hi Keto. But if anybody remembers our big oak tree in the middle of the driveway, it has been uprooted and is laying across our driveway. And boy, I hope my chainsaw blades are sharp, because we're gonna get some work to do, because that's a pretty thick tree. So if I'm getting to work tomorrow, I guess gonna have to do some work cutting. Luckily, I'm sorry, just tripping over the cat. Right, Keto? Yeah. But luckily it missed the power pole, not knocking out any power, and had another branch come down and missed my truck, but took off all our Christmas lights, so there's no Christmas lights on. But here's our big beautiful oak tree that's now laying across our driveway. So I guess Patty is getting her firewood, so because we have plenty of it right now. Okay, and here is tree number 2. That's blocking our driveway. So got that big guy up there, and I have this one right here, and this one is going completely across. I think this is the only other tree. I'll have to work my way through this and see if I can even get down our driveway, because right now we're 100% blocked. Well, good morning, everybody. Just out doing some chainsawing. Let me take these down so I can actually hear. We had a storm blow through yesterday. It was 70 degrees and really nice out like all day. And we had some major thunderstorms blow through the next morning. And actually, I think I see another tree that's laying down, but it's laying kind of high. It's kind of weird. But anyway, got my ATV down here. Got 2 chainsaws. That one has a good blade on it. The other one is kind of bad. But let me show you what happened last night. And right now it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to get the driveway clear so I can go to work today. So here we got a pine bough, which there really is not too many pine trees around here, but we had a big tree in the kind of the center of our driveway in a planter, and this is it. So this big tree kind of got blown over, big oak tree. It was partially dead anyway, so it's gonna make really good firewood, but we have to try to get this cut out at least enough to excuse me, at least enough to get by, because we take care of disabled people and we need their buses to get in and out. But yeah, so there should be one good thing: the boat's unscathed. There's no trees landing on the boat, so thank God. But yeah, so I gotta get that little tree out of the way and get this one cut out of the way. And it's still really windy. It's about 30-40 mile per hour winds, which I'm sure you can probably hear, but we have a little ridge next to us here, so kind of blocked a little bit. But anyway, gotta get back to cutting this tree down here out, and to make it safe for people to pass, and so I can get to work. So whether I get to work on time, it's hard to say. I drive a truck, so I'll just be behind on my schedule for the most part, but I think we'll be okay. But I'm gonna get the rest of this tree cut out. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this other one. So that's 3 trees that fell overnight. Last night, them storms came in. There's tornadoes in some areas. We had up to 70 mile per hour winds that have taken this tree out. And then let's see if I can get the camera on here. I can see another one laying across high on the driveway. Cars can get underneath, but I'll probably have to figure out how to get that one out of there too. So, but got a little bit of work to do. So I hope you guys are having a better day. I'm not too concerned. So probably have to go get some new blades for the chainsaw, just make it good enough to get past. Oh, here's that third one, which is probably gonna be the hardest one, mostly because it's hanging up so high. So I'll try to pull it down by hand the best I can, and then I can get this finished up and get ready for work. So we got 3 of us cutting this tree to pieces, and we'll see if I get any of it split today, but we're getting there. Shows what can happen when you got friends. Got my friend Dave down there cutting with a short saw, and got my buddy Steve, always known as Fish. He's trying to cut some of the big stuff too, and we're gonna get this thing all cut up and get it out of here very soon. Well, we got about 95% done. Still have a little bit of cutting to do. I don't know if you can see this down here, my hunting blind. It just crushed on the top a little bit. Maybe has one rip in it, so I'll have to go down and fix that and see what's going on. But appreciate my friends Dave and Steve coming out to help me. I still have to cut the rest of this up and get it split, and so our driveway is nice and wide open again, and the stuff that we moved already is all right here. So we got a nice little pile of wood. Once that gets split up and stuff, that's hopefully will be plenty of wood to get us through the winter. So, but appreciate watching the video. A little cleanup after the storm damage. Still got some work to do. Got to put our Christmas lights back up on the roof and pick up a bunch of branches around the house and stuff. And but luckily no damage to the buildings. Nobody was hurt as far as I know in the area. There was no injuries from falling trees and tornadoes. There were some property damages, but other than that we were pretty lucky. So, but I appreciate my friends coming out to help me. Appreciate you watching, and just, you know, like and subscribe, and click that little bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.